and this is your GK class we have assembled here, and today's topic is famous faces. This is chapter 14, famous faces. Some Indians are very famous, which all of us know. About those famous faces we are going to study, which is given in the chapter 14. And first famous face, number 1, it was given Dhirubhai Ambani. And you know who is Dhirubhai Ambani? His full name is Dheeraj Lal Hirachand Ambani, and he is born on December 28, 1932. He is a famous industrialist and founder of Reliance Industry. Right now, which most of us are using Jio Network or Jio Mobile, that is the company of Dhirubhai Ambani only. And many petrochemicals, communication, now they have launched market also, so textiles business also. So he is the richest, one of the richest industrialist of India. And right now in the Forbes books also his name is coming. Here is the picture of Dhirubhai Ambani. Now next is Ratan Naval Tata. He is also an Indian industrialist, philanthropist, and a former chairman of Tata Sons. He is the recipient of 2 of the highest civilian awards. One is Padma Vibhushan and next is Padma Bhushan. He got Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Padma Bhushan in 2000. And my dear, it was in the news recently that in COVID also he has donated. He has given a big donation. In the period of COVID also. This is the picture of Ratan Tata. Virat Kohli is an Indian cricketer. He was born in Delhi, India on November 5, 1988. Virat is the first player in ICC cricket history to win all 3 ICC awards in a single year. ICC ODI player, ICC Test Player of the Year and ICC Player of the Year award. In 2018, he is the first one to win. And he is a good batsman also. Recently he is the captain of Indian cricket team also. And all of you know that he is married to an actress, Anushka Sharma. I am showing you the picture of, this is the picture of Virat Kohli. And my dear, when you will search about him, he is very hard working. Means hard working what? If these famous faces, all the faces are very hard working. That only makes them success. Now Narendra Modi. I think all of you know that Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. And he is from Gujarati Hindu family. As a child, he helped his father to sell the tea. But right now, this is the beauty of our country, my dear. That Dhirubhai Ambani, who was a nozzleman on a petrol pump, he is the richest industrialist of our country. Mr. Narendra Modi, who was selling tea or helping his father to sell tea at a time, he is holding the most popular position in our India. He is the Prime Minister. This is the beauty of our country and democracy, we can say. This is the picture of Narendra Modi. We will add Mr. Narendra Modi. Now, teacher and business. Wait. teacher and businessman, primarily known for his popularizing yoga and Ayurveda in India. Ramdev has been organizing and conducting large yoga camps since 2002, broadcasting his yoga classes on various TV channels. Co-founded the Patanjali Ayurveda Limited. See, he is the founder of Patanjali Ayurveda. Means he is, you can tell him a yoga teacher also. Businessman also. Because he is teaching yoga, but he is having a very big business of everything. Almost, if you will go in Patanjali store, almost everything for your utility you will get there. Now see, here is description about Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was the first vice president of Free India and second president. First vice president of Free India and second president of India. He was born on 5th September 1888 in Tamil Nadu. And due to his excellent qualities, the government of India has awarded him the most potent civilian award, that is Bharat Ratna Award. My dear, he was a very good philosopher, very good teacher, and that's why we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September on his birthday. We celebrate, and this is the honor to a teacher, because as a teacher he worked very hard, and for his good work he is being honored every year on 5th September. Now next is, he previously hosted the television comedy shows Comedy Nights with Kapil and Family Time with Kapil. Right now again his show is starting, and I think that all of you are knowing this person, and his name is Kapil Sharma. Next is independent researcher and writer A.R. Rahman, in full Allah Rakha Rahman. His original name is A.S. Dilip Kumar. He is a composer whose extensive body of work of film and stage earned him the nickname. And what is his nickname? Wait. The Mozart of Madras. His name is the Mozart of Madras. I am showing you the picture of A.R. Rahman. My dear, many people changes their name, especially in film industry, and this is one of the example of it. Now see Sachin Tendulkar, and I think all of you are knowing about Sachin Tendulkar. He is an Indian batsman. Right now he is the member of our parliament also. He was Indian professional cricket player, and he has set many records in the history of cricket. And one of the record is 100 centuries. 100 run, anything of 100 makes 1 century. 1 century means 100. If I am living 100 years, I will be told that I have completed my century in my life. And in counting, 100 is called 1 century. And he have made 101 century in his cricket game. Now see the picture of Sachin Tendulkar. Next, Azim Premji. In full, Azim Hassan Premji. He is also a businessman, entrepreneur who served as chairman of Wipro Limited, guiding the company through 4 decades. 4 decades, decades means right now I have explained century means 100 and decades mean 10 years. Okay, of diversification and growth to emerge as world leader in the software industry. See the picture of Azim Premji. Now next comes Mukesh Ambani. In full, Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. This Dhirubhai is the name of his father. In South you will see that like P.T. Usha, P.V. Narasimha Rao, they add their fathers, grandfathers, great-grandfathers name also in their name. Like that only Mukesh Ambani, as Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani, he is the managing director of Reliance Industries. And there are many companies under him, my dear. And his name is also in the Forbes book of World Record. And he is called to be the richest Indian industrialist. Atal Bihari Vajpayee. He was an Indian politician. He served as the 10th Prime Minister of India for 6 years, from 1998 through 2004. He was also serving as Prime Minister from May 1996 to June 1996. He founded the Bharatiya Janata Party, who has made government right now in India. Bharatiya Janata Party is only ruling. And my dear, he was a very good poet. He was a lawyer also. He was a very intellectual person. Now there are some questions related to these persons, these famous faces. Okay, which Indian is an internationally famous yoga guru? And we have studied Baba Ramdev is the correct answer. Now next, who is the director of Reliance Industries? And who is the director, my dear? Mukesh Ambani. And I think all of you are knowing about Reliance Industries because this JioSIM, Jio network, this is working from Reliance Industry also only. Who is well known Indian stand-up comedian, and the name is Kapil Sharma, because all of us know about Kapil Sharma as an Indian stand-up comedian. Who is A.R. Rahman, and he is an Indian music director, composer, musician and singer. Who was the second president of India? And it is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, on whose birthday we celebrate Teachers' Day. Who was the founder of Reliance Industries? And who was the founder? Dhirubhai Ambani, father of Mukesh Ambani. Who is the Prime Minister of India? And I think all of you know Mr. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of our country. Thank you, dear, for watching this video, and hope you all will watch wherever you are finding problems. You will see through the videos and you will get the solution for all the problems. Thank you.